Okay, this is the XP Goldmaxx. It's got the version 3 chip fitted at the moment, and hopefully in the post is the version 4 chip. So we just demonstrate it with the version 3 chip. Listen to the power on tone when I switch it on. Wait 6 seconds. Okay. All toggle switches at the central position and all rotary dials at the 12 o'clock position. So we have some measure, 1 5p piece, just about 6 3/4 inches. So version 3 chip, XP Goldmaxx, all rotary dials at 12 o'clock position, gives about 6 3/4 inches on a 5p piece. Okay, the Goldmaxx Power V4 chips arrived. We're going to upgrade our machine from a V3 to a V4. First thing you need is a 21mm socket and a small crosshead screwdriver. The socket is to undo that nut there. If you try and take the top off without undoing that, you're in big trouble. And once that nut's undone, those 4 crosshead screws in each corner. Being careful because the captive nuts underneath will all drop out, so we'll do it over the carpet. Okay, that nut's now been taken off the bottom. You see the writing in there, it gives a serial number and it's telling us it's a V3. Obviously we're going to put a V4 chip in there, so we'll cross out the 3 and put a 4, or possibly perhaps put a sticker in there. Okay, I've undone the 4 crosshead screws, and we've just gently pulled out the top, and as you can see there's our chip there that we're going to replace. If you look, there's a small indentation on the top edge. Very important that you get the indentation on the top edge of your replacement chip facing the same way. And we're going to remove it by gently leaving it out with this plastic, I think it's a child scraper. Obviously you don't want to use anything metallic, and you want to use something plastic so it won't damage the circuit board or the chip. So there we go. There you go. It comes out quite easily. And then we take the new one. Okay, and that's it, pushed fully home, nice and snug, with the indentation facing up to the Goldmaxx 2 label on the circuit board. Okay, we've gently put the top back on. If there's any resistance at all, just gently lift it off and put it back on. It will go on without any forcing, and you shouldn't feel any resistance. It will fall gently into place. If it doesn't fall into place, you're not putting it back together correctly. And obviously make sure that that's dropped down through the hole at the bottom. Put your nut back on and your 4 captive bolts. Okay, got it all put back together. All dials are in the 12 o'clock position. I'm going to switch on. Listen to the tones. So probably about 6 3/4, exactly the same place as before, just probably just a slightly different tone change. and there's all the tools you need to do the job.